point the camera towards my souvenir?
Now Mom will get it. Okay, we got later.
I do it for you later, boy.
Okay.
We go uphill now, and we start to drive to the mountain to get the ticket to get in the waterfall.
Okay. The camera is still recording, but it's on Mr. Cameraman's lap now.
The high peak of the mountain is 2,500 feet up above from the ground to the top.
Well, the chimney.
It is the Blue Bridge Mountain.
Yesterday we went till the opening of the Skyline Trail. Now we're gonna go to the sky. Now we're gonna go in the Skyline Trail and then visit the waterfall. So we're currently still going up hill. Yesterday I called it like, what was it? A roller coaster? Like a real roller coaster? Because we were going uphill so much. But I hope the car doesn't fall. Because I do not want to die. I'm really smiling. Actually, why am I smiling? Let's bring it back down to a normal face. Much better. Okay. There's some spring water in the back to match like, and well, it's got a mountain on the covers, and that's exactly where we're going. And we just bought it yesterday to match the